people, to all my subscriber, I love you so much, and to all my regular viewers, I love you. I don't forget. I always advance or after, but sometimes I forget it. But sometimes the people talking me, I forget to greet you all my subscriber and my regular viewer. So I'm here. We're trying here because they said maybe I go their side. We call this one, people, is the in Bisaya, we call in Bisaya pantalan. Okay. Nanguha siya nagbas. People, it's raining. I said it's raining. Very bad, very bad. Anyway, I have this one, so that's okay if it's raining. No fish, people, no fish. No. Oh, what is that? It's the stone. Way batasan. Bakit mo ako babasain? People, it's raining. I like raining, people. Titingnan natin kung ano ang resulta kapag mag-ulan. Ang lalaking alon, people. Talon ako, people. Talon. Walay batasan ng ulanan eh. Basa-basa lang yung kuna niya. Tama, people, it's raining. Way batasan. Iya lang gikong basa-basaon. Way klaro ning ulan dito. Hallelujah. Monsieur, naa ba kay payong? Monsieur, gibagyo bang ko, oy? People, gibagyo gyud ko, people. Busabe parapui? Busabe la parapui? Parapui, no?
Non, non. Pas de parapluie.
Il n'y a pas de parapluie.
J'ai la casquette.
Moi aussi. Tiga, people, it's raining. It's raining, people, it's raining. I cover my camera. But anyway, my GoPro camera, you can use with water this one, but only very special. Way batasan ng ulan. Magkuha ako ng payong, people. It's not very lucky. It's not a very lucky day. Layo pa yung sakyanan ko, people. Yung payong ko nandoon. Tiga, people, oh. Basa ako, people. Basa ako, people. Basa ako, people. I like basa-basa. Sige, uwan pa more. Na ako'y sombrero more, oh. Sige, more. Ulan pa more. It's raining, people. It's raining, oh. Ay, ang sarap magbasa. Wow. Nice. Raining. What can I do, people? Raining. Raining, people. Raining. Raining. Lala. Very bad. My vlogging today. It's raining, people. Look at my Raining. Oh mon Dieu. Sige, uwan pa more. Way batasan ng uwanan ni. Wa ko pa si Piata. Di ulan jud ko. I will come up here, people. I take my umbrella, people. My car. I take umbrella. I take umbrella, people. Because it's very naughty. The raining. Ay. Raining, people. It's not very good, huh? Every time I come here in the beach, they give me surprise, it's raining. We will check this one. People, I will clean my camera. Okay. Okay, raining. Raining, people, raining, oh. I will make I will try first to close my car because I am afraid. Okay, I'm ready. Ito, I will check. We go there. Ito, people. I will check what time is it. Because I don't want to be late when I come home, because you know, if it's late you come home and then they have the raining, it's very difficult. Ali, raining pa more. What time? 10 alas 4 Gs. I will go to inside, people, because the raining is very, it's angry, people, it's angry. The raining, people, is angry, huh? I will put there my key and my bag. I will put there, and I will close this one. Okay. Very bad the weather, people. Very bad the weather. Pabong. Every time I come in the beach, it's raining. I hate this one. Raining. I have to cleaning my lens of my camera and my eyes also. Close kay they have the storm. Very bad, huh? Very bad. They give me upset What time is it? Oh, never mind. Sorry. The number you have dialed. It's heavy raining, people. Look at the people, oh. Look at the people. I cannot see. So I prepare my camera, my eyeglass, people. I don't bring. Blurred. I cannot see. Very polite. Very impolite. Okay, people, never mind. Next time, maybe I go next time in the beach. So I cannot see my eyes. Oh, what happened? The rain is come. The raining is come. Stop. Never mind. I look at that people. Oh. Basa ako, people. Basa ako. Never mind, people. I will attach here. Maybe it's a good idea. So I will check, people, how many minutes. Okay, we go na, people. Kay I don't want to stay there if they have the raining. Very bad. Hallelujah. Wala. Kumangju. You pobre. After, monsieur, after. I will drive first because I cannot answer you the phone. Okay. I will come up here. Oh, my telephone always ringing. Okay. The same people, oh, it's raining here. I cannot see my glass. Okay, people, thank you so much for my video. Even it's raining. I love you to all my subscribers, to all my regular viewers. I love you all. Thank you so much for supporting me. Bye.